Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss very important topic, target customers in retail management. Right. So who are the target customers? If you are going to manufacture any product, right? So if you are going to manufacture any product, depends upon the market segmentation, right? So demographic segmentation, psychographic, behavioral, and geographic segmentations are there. So depends upon that you have to focus on the segmentation. You are going to sell the product to the customer. So that is a target customer. So in this, you are going to after you manufacture your product. If you take it as a DT base, design thinking base, we are having the 5 stages. We are going to analyze in 5 stages. So what are they means? It's empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test it. So what do you mean by empathize? Related to the target customers.
Problem identification.
Very good. Problem identification. So in the problem identification, so what are the problems, right? So in the problem identification related to the target customers, you have to understand the needs and pain points of the target customers, right? Because everyone manufacture their product. For example, there is a mobile phone, everyone manufacture. We are having that lot of brands are available, right? But what is the unique, right? Which one is you have to clear that you have to satisfy the customer, right? So first you can understand the problem. That's only the empathy. So understand the needs and pain points of the target customers. You have to connect through interviews or observation or surveys, right? So you can collect the information first. Next, define. So after you got an idea, right? What are the problems? What are the customer pain points? We identify. You are going to select the. You have to choose the biggest problem of the customer, right? So what is the core problem they are facing, right? That's a very important. What is the purpose of product? What is the purpose of their using the product, right? So everything you are going to analyze in that define stage. Okay. Then how to solve a problem? We are having a lot of ideas, right? So that's only we are saying it's an idea. It's the third stage. So collaborative within teams to brainstorm innovative solutions that meet customer needs, ensuring diverse perspectives are considered. What if we brainstorm? So we are in a team, we are going to discuss particular problem. So you will get n number of ideas, right? For example, if you take it as any problem, right? Now I'm saying that if you are going to sell the product to the customer, okay? So how to sell the product to the customer? So we will discuss and we are going to take a decision. Okay, so collaborate within teams to brainstorm session. You have to select the best innovative idea, right? Easy to sell the product to the customer. You have to understand the customer pain points. So everything you have to finish that. Then you have to come to the idea stage. Next, you are going to prototype. What is a prototype? You are going to create a model, right? This is the model. So you are going to execute it. So develop prototype of new products or service based on ideation session, allowing for practical visualization of ideas. So your model will be ready, right? So next we are going to test with the customers, right? So you are going to test it with the customers. Where you are going to test with the, where you are going to test the product with customers, because customers are satisfied only, right? The product will, you are going to sell the product to the customer. The customers are ready to buy your product, right? So engage target customers in testing prototype to gather insights and refine product, ensuring customer satisfaction upon launch. So every product you can see that each product we are going to analyze this concept, target customers, right? So in every topic we are discussing through that design thinking base. These 5 stages are important. First empathize, we are going to identify the problem. Then you come to the define, right? So what are the problems? Which is the core problem they are facing by the customer? You have to define. Then how to solve the problem? You are going to conduct a brainstorming session. In the brainstorming session, you are going to get a best idea, right? That's only we are discussing that many alternatives. Then you are going to selecting the best, right? So that is empathize, define, ideate, then prototype. You are going to create the model for that to solve the problem. Finally, you are going to test with the customers, right? So these are all the stages we are going to deal with that particular target customers. Now everyone got an idea, clear idea about the target customers? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you all. So next session we are going to discuss another topic.